Is almond flour good for diabetics? From breads and pastas to cookies and snacks, flour is a common ingredient. The most known type of flour is wheat. However, almond flour is a popular and healthful alternative for anyone with allergies or dietary preferences. The gluten-free nature of almond flour makes it an excellent choice for those with celiac disease. You may use almond flour for wheat flour in almost any recipe. To manufacture it at home or buy it from supermarkets and health food stores, it's a simple process. Health advantages. There are numerous health benefits of eating almond flour because of its high concentration of vitamins and minerals. For example, the body's ability to clot blood depends on manganese. In addition, manganese aids in the breakdown of carbs and cholesterol in the body. Adding almond flour to your diet is a great way to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Good for heart health. Monounsaturated fats, which are high in almond flour, are known to aid in the management of blood cholesterol levels. Heart disease risk can be dramatically reduced by lowering cholesterol. Women who eat 50 grams of almonds a day have lower cholesterol than those who don't, according to a recent study. Control diabetes. In terms of glycemic index, almond flour is a good choice. Almond flour contains fewer sugars and carbs than wheat flour. People with diabetes may benefit from better control of their blood sugar levels by switching to almond flour. Is